everyone, you welcome back to Shapla Kitchen. It's Chef MMN in the building. Today's video is on how to make fresh tomatoes chicken stew. So first of all, I'll go ahead and rinse my zinc and make sure my zinc is clean. Pour in my fresh tomatoes and wash. I've washed this for like 2 times before adding in salt to give it the final rings. Guys, it's very important you wash your fresh tomatoes very well so you won't have sand in your stew. And after washing my fresh tomatoes, I go ahead to wash my peppers. I have Scotch bonnet pepper, shombo and tatashe, also known as cayenne pepper and chili pepper. So I open up the shombo and remove the seed and the tatashe so that it will not taste bitter in my stew. Give this a proper rinse and pour in my tomato, already washed fresh tomatoes in a pot. Pour in my peppers, and guys, it's ready for me to put on the fire. I'm going to literally boil this for up to an hour, or depending on how thick I want the tomato to come out. So I put it on fire and allow this to boil. Going to boil this till the water is halfway dry. And guys, after boiling this for a while, I add in my onions. I'm not going to just boil only fresh tomatoes and the pepper mix. I'm going to add in my onions, and that's my garlic, and I'm going to also add in my ginger. So I have my gingers there. And guys, I'm going to leave this to boil till the water is halfway dry. And look at what we have here. My tomato have been boiling for like an hour now, and depending on the kind of stove you are using or cooker you are using. And once you notice that the tomato and the pepper has really shrink, is ready for you to blend, and mine is ready. So I scoop it out, filter it out from the water and blend. I actually miss the part I blend this tomato. So you're going to blend this smooth, and once you are done blending it, your tomato is ready for frying. If you watch this video to this very time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video so others can see it. After blending my tomato, I set it aside, and it's time to prep our protein. The protein I'm using here is chicken. You can use any protein of your choice. My protein is washed. I go ahead and season it with salt. I add in my seasoning cube. I go ahead and add my all-purpose seasoning, that's mixed spices. I After adding my mixed spice, I go ahead and add in other spices like curry or turmeric. You can season your chicken as you want. This dry chili, just to give it that heat. And I also added a little rosemary. You can also add thyme if you want. I add in my onions, that's my garlic, also chopped in the onions, and I pour everything together and mix. I'm going to leave this to to marinate for like an hour or more. I also added a little Scotch bonnet peppers to make it more spicy. I leave this for a while and allow it to marinate for like an hour or two, like I said before. Then I go ahead and boil, and my chicken is cooked already. It's time for me to check if it's properly cooked. And yeah, guys, the chicken is well cooked. I've cooked this for just a few minutes because I'm using broiler. If you are using old layer, you're going to cook it till it's soft and okay for you. And guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that others can see it. If you are new to the channel, please join the family, okay? Subscribe to my channel. So guys, to another clean pot, I go in with my vegetable oil and add in 2 slices of onions. This will enable the onions to put it in flavor in the chicken. I go ahead and fry my chicken. You can as well use air fryer for your chicken. You can grill your chicken. You can put it in the oven anyhow you want it. I just wanted to use frying method today. I wanted to use deep frying method, and my chicken is golden brown and well fried. I'm going to scoop this out, and I will still be using the same oil to fry my tomato stew, fresh tomato stew, guys. This stew is very, very delicious. You can try this out as one of your Sunday stew recipe, guys. It's super, super delicious. It's amazingly delicious, guys. So after scooping out my chicken, I'll pour in my onions. I also have garlic and ginger here. I put it and allow this to fry for this fried for like a minute or two till the onions is a little bit golden brown or is fragrant. And to make the onions to have nice flavor, adding a little salt. You can do salt or you do bouillon cube, and this makes the onions to be more fragrant. I go in with my blended tomato mix. That's tomato, onions, ginger and garlic, and my peppers, cayenne pepper, shombo, tatashe, and Scotch bonnet peppers, and stir this properly. Then cover my stew halfway. Guys, when frying your stew, ensure you don't cover it fully. If you are covering it fully, you're actually cooking the stew instead of frying. And it's time to add in my spices, the kind of spice you use for your fresh tomato stew. For it to come out well, it's very, very important to use your, you can do curry, you can do your all-purpose seasoning, and that's mixed spices. I'm using Cadbury Spice. It's not a paid advert, but I think I like their spice and it's very, very nice. And I go ahead and add in my spices, and I'm also adding oregano. Oregano is very nice for fresh tomatoes too. You can try this out and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think, guys. And I also add in my bouillon cube, and after adding my bouillon cube, I stir this properly. Kindly cook your stew on medium to low heat so that it will not burn. And I'm going to allow this to cook for a while. My stew is a bit thick, and I go in with my chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, you can also use water to loosen up your stew a bit. Okay, so it's time to add in my protein, and I'm adding in my fried chicken. And guys, the stew is almost ready, and the fragrance, the aroma of the stew rather is so amazing, guys. The whole house is the stew is delicious. Try this out and let me know in the comment section. The stew is ready. My fresh tomato stew is ready. Once you see oil popping up on top of your stew, that's when your stew is ready, guys. Thank you for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.